Bismillah mon e nder Pular English. You welcome in Pular English. Jangino basic. Basic woni she is. Taw hakkunde ɗo ne waɗi espace. Taw jiida e sis baɗɗo apostrophe yo. She is happy. Omo welti. He is strong. Omo sembi. They are tired. Eɓe tampi. He is sad. Omo suni. Gorko o. She is tall. Omo njolɗi. They are hungry. Eɓe kaaɓi. She ko debbo jofoto. He ko gorko. Short. She's happy. Omo welti. He's strong. Omo fori. Ko gorko. They are tired. Eɓe tampi. He's sad. Omo suni. She's tall. Omo njolɗi. Ko debbo. They're hungry. Eɓe kaaɓi. Affirmative form. I am student. Komi almudo. I am tired. Komi tampuɗo. It's very late. Leeli no feewi. These sentences are difficult. Ɗi konguɗi eɗi caɗi. Mauritania is a very big country. Mauritania ko leydi mawndi. Those diamonds are cheap. Ɗin jamaji eɗi mbeɓi. I am a good singer. Komi jimmowo porɗo. Matam is in Senegal. Matam ko e nder Senegal jeya. Negative form. Form ala. I am not student. Wana almudo. I'm not tired. Tampani. It's not very late. Leelani no feewi. These sentences aren't difficult. Ɗi konguɗi ɗi tiiɗani. Senegal isn't a very big country. Senegal wona leydi mawndi no feewi. Those diamonds are not cheap. Ɗin jamaji ɗi mbeɓani. I'm not a good singer. Mi wona bawɗo yimde no feewi. Matam is not in Mauritania. Matam jeyaka e Mauritania. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please share and subscribe. Click the like button and comment below if you have any question. See you next time. Bye.